The berry knot is made like a square knot. Bring the left cord to the right and place it over both center cords. Then, place the right cord over the left cord and pull the right cord through the left side loop, going under both center cords. Here, do not tighten the cord all the way to the top. Leave a little gap above. Now, bring the right cord to the left, placing it over both center cords, and place the right cord over the left cord again. Then pull the left cord through the right side loop, going under both center cords. This is the first square knot. Make 2 more square knots in the same manner for a total of 3 square knots. Now, from the gap we left at the top, pull both center cords downward and tighten them. Then create another square knot here. Repeat the same process to practice the berry knot.